Hi there, Noise is on a spree. Here is the newly launched Noise Buds VS103 TWS earphones in the super budget category. They're priced at just $14.99 with 10mm drivers. Surely they grab a lot of attention. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox them and see how they perform. Continue watching and I'll share all the details from when you can get them and most importantly from where you can buy them. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Noise Buds VS103. You can see the image of the device right here. Towards the back, a list of some of its features: full touch controls, 18 hours playback, HyperSync, IPX5 waterproof rating, some manufacturing details, and the MRP, which is $2,999. Now this is a jet black color and this is also available in another white color. Alright, let's unbox it. And there we go, starting with some paperwork. We are grateful. This is usually a registered warranty card. Then you have a quick start guide. Then you have a user manual. It's in English. And newly added stickers. So now we get these stickers with some Noise earphones. Noisemaker. There's another Noisemaker sticker which is actually white. Noise logo. Suno Dil Ka Shor. Really nice. The earphones themselves. We'll have a look at it in just a moment. And if I'm not mistaken, these are going to be buds and a charging wire. We have two extra pair of ear tips for different sizes and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. Let's remove this plastic. Okay, there you are. Nice plastic build. Very familiar design as well. Noise logo right here. There seems to be a small LED in the front which will let you know that the earphones are charging and the case is charging. At the bottom is the USB-C port to charge the case. Towards the back is the Noise branding, and it's a pretty nice simple design. The plastic build is pretty decent for 1500 rupees earphones. They're actually good and they are actually really good. Wow, those look beautiful. Okay, let's get these out. And there you see there's an LED that is turned on. So yes, that's an LED light. Let's have a closer look at this. Wow, those are really nice. Buds design. Let's remove it. It says remove me. So we have a Buds design and it has also a stem at the bottom. Really nice. And what I'm actually liking the most is the combination of matte and glossy. So if you see on this side, the finish is glossy, and if you see on the other side, it's matte. Wow, that's nice. You have the Noise logo at the back. Nice Buds design. You can also see the mics on the top. Towards the bottom are the charging terminals. Pretty light, they're really light. So they should be even comfortable to wear for long hours. By the way, they come with 10mm drivers, so I believe they're going to sound pretty good as well. And if you look closely, you can see the left and right logo on the stem of the earbuds, so that you know this is left and this is right. It's a nice touch. And I'm actually liking the design the most. I really didn't expect them to look so premium. The glossy and matte finish actually makes these earphones look so much more better. Alright, let's pair them and wear them and see. So pairing these earbuds is super simple. Just remove the buds from the case. You'll find the Noise Buds VS103 name show up in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Click and it's paired in a couple of seconds. Simple. If we talk about the fit, they snug in really nicely into your ear canal, and thanks to that Buds design, it seals most of the ambient sound. They provide a very good grip and they aren't going to fall off anytime easy, which is why you can wear them for a run or even at the gym. Yes, they also come with IPX5 rating, so mild splashes and sweat is fine. The buds do pop out a little, but still they're very light, which makes them comfortable to wear for long hours. Now, these also come with touch gestures, and the Noise logo on the top is where those sensors are placed. What happens is that we usually sometimes are not able to find the sensors and we keep tapping multiple places. But now since we know that this is where the sensors are, the reaching that place is much more easier. The best thing is that you can control almost everything. You can control volume up and down, you can change tracks, previous track, next track, you can pause and play, and even trigger Google Voice Assistant or Siri if you're using it with an iPhone. Literally everything. Then the batteries on these will last for about 4.5 hours on a single charge and 18 hours in total with the case, which I think is amazing for earphones at this price point. Okay, coming to the sound quality. Bhai log jinko bass pasand hai na, they are going to just freak out. Really good bass on this. In fact, more than I want. To some extent, I think the bass takes over the mids and highs. But that's something we see with most bass heavy earphones. Overall, I can say really good sound experience. Bass fans will definitely not be disappointed. I can vouch for that. I also use these for phone calls, and indoors they were great, no echo, no disturbance. However, outdoors the caller said that there was slight echo but still usable. You can surely use these for phone calls. Also, you can connect them with your laptop to use them for Zoom meetings and online school for your kids. So for $14.99, this is a great buy. It sounds good, all the touch controls, excellent battery life. In fact, this also makes for a really good gift. It's available in black and white. You can buy it only on Amazon starting 5th of July. I'll leave the links for both the colors in the description. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.